Alright, we have an Xbox One S. The problem will be very apparent. We have some severe damage, trace damage. It's not the most severe I've seen, but it's not good. So that will be our job for today, is reconstruct that and put a new port on. We will be using the Pico pencil and pretty much every iron on this one. Alright, somewhere out of the way. And we'll flick on the beam extractor, switch you back to being able to see stuff. I need to do some cleanup here first. First thing is cleanup. So one we're going to have to run all the way up to the filters. And that would be this cat right here. The rest of them we can do shorter. Grab a big iron. Shoot. Yep, didn't mean to break it. That's how it went. Alright, that'll do for now. Okay, throw it on the board for here. And let's get some solder on these runways. I'm adding a little bit of a blob to that pin. We'll worry about the long run last. Alright. Let me get an angle where I can do some work here. Right, I'm going to clean before I route that one. Alright, I'm going to cure what we have here with the big lamp, and we'll take a break while that's working on that and come back and continue. We're ready to tin, I believe. The perfect test to see if you've cured your solder mask enough is to try and tin those wires. If it sucks them up, you did not tin them enough, or you did not cure them enough. I ideally would have tinned these pads before I ran those jumpers, but I didn't do that. It's okay. Okay, let's tin these jumpers. All right, good and good. We will leave the flux. Did not burn it too much. So. Next issue is going to be a port. Assuming we still have one. One S. Yes, looks like I at least have one more. I may have to order some more. All right. I don't feel like the pre-tinning of the port helped that much last time, on the last job. I don't even know if I posted that video yet. I did post one where I pre-tinned it. Do know we need to make sure our alignment is good, so we are going to tack down pins before we worry about the anchors. Doesn't have to be all the pins, but it does need to be some. Alright. I want these reasonably aligned. We're going to need some solder on that there iron. Okay, let's see how we did. We want the wires to move with the pins. Oh, I did not get that last one. We did not do the last one. Okay, so we want the wires to move with the pins. That one's moving. That one's moving. And that one is not. That one is. So this guy here is not. Let's try him again. Alright, seems like it's moving. We will definitely test continuity through to make sure. First thing we gotta do is clean. I'm going to do that off screen so I can use my air compressor. It'll be a little less abrasive than the brush. Move back. Okay, let's check again. I want the wire to move. Yep. 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 Alright. So that's really it for this video. Actually, no. Let's go ahead and do that testing. I want to make sure we have continuity and stuff first, instead of like another one I did where we did not, and I had to pull the port. That was not fun. Alright, let's check this guy. Okay. And now I'm just worried about the ones with jumpers. Good. We're going to have to scrape off a little bit of that one just so we can get a continuity measurement. Won't hurt it. And it doesn't have to be much. Good. All right. That's good. All right. And we'll just do a general check. We've already checked that one. Alright, everything looks pretty good. I'm going to make sure we don't have any grounded situations, and looks good. Alright, so that is it for this video. If you have any questions about the equipment I used in this video, they're all linked down in the description below. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you like my channel and would like to see more videos, hit the subscribe button. I post about 2 videos a week. And that's really all I have to ask of you. See you next time.